statements made by former Senator De Lima. During the investigation here in the Senate, during her term when she was still a senator, wala pa rin nakitang ebidensya tungkol dyan sa mga DDS ng tinatawag. Nung CHR chairman siya, wala rin nangyari sa mga investigation at wala pa rin nakitang ebidensya. Nung secretary siya ng DOJ, which is a very very powerful cabinet position, wala po rin siyang mga nakitang ebidensya. At hanggang ngayon, yun pa rin po ang sinasabi niya, wala pa rin gustong mag-testify, wala pa rin siyang kinakasuhan. So I think that is a matter of incompetence, Mr. Chair.
I take
Thank you.
Mr.
strong
Chair,
exception to that, Your Honor.
Okay, to be fair, sige.
Hindi
The chair will be fair. Excuse me, everybody, Mr. President, teka muna. Sige,
Hindi ko po
yes,
nagustuhan.
Senator De Lima, sige,
Thank you.
short short.
Hindi
sige,
ko po
response.
nagustuhan yung ganung conclusion na
Okay.
wala akong ginawa or that incompetent